Hello, today we are going to prepare this chain sign for the CNC cutting. I took this picture. First of all, I'm going to put our rulers here and here and here. I want to make it to be more quadratic. I don't need our board to be this big. I will love it to be like this. Now I will put control, and with the left click I will align the arrows. Okay, I will need to change the rulers a little bit. I will move it more down. I'm aligning this like this. I'm holding control all the time. Okay. Okay, this is good for now. I will move it to the Illustrator, and now I will vectorize this using the curvature tool and the rectangle. I'll put rectangle here. Okay, as a frame. Now I will going with the curvature tool around the lines. I like to put a red color here to see better what I'm doing. We can do some freestyle here. We can also later fix more vectors. It's not very important. I just want to have a concept from this. So let's go here and here. Okay. Now I will use the pad and offset to make a normal shape. Maybe I will put minus maybe 4, a little bit more, maybe 7, 8. Okay. One more thing, we need to make also arrow here. I want to keep the ratio for the arrow. I will copy paste this or duplicate. I will do this and here. Okay, let's check with the outline what we have. So border should be here, and down, let's use another ruler, should be here. Okay, so here. Let's go back to outlines. Now I will use the shape builder. Okay, I need to be careful here to keep what I need and to delete what I don't need. I will delete this, this, and this. The wrong one. Go back to outlines. Also, I will delete everything I don't need. Let's go back to outlines again. Okay, this should be good. I'm going to delete the okay, and that's it. Thank you for watching. We can play more with the vectors, but in general that's it. Now we have a vector of the train. Thank you for watching.